Is your day-to-day banking feeling stuck in the past? Are you tired of complicated apps and confusing fees just to manage your own money? Well, if you're ready to embrace modern finance and take control of your daily spending, you've come to the right place. Today, we're diving into the Revolut app and showing you exactly how to use it for all your everyday banking needs, making money management simple, smart, and swift. Revolut is an all-in-one financial app that puts tons of powerful features right at your fingertips. Once you've signed up and have your account ready, let's look at the core functions you'll use every day. The home screen and daily spending. When you open the app, your home screen is your dashboard. You'll instantly see your main balance and recent transactions. To spend, you can use your physical Revolut card, or for instant payments, you can add your virtual card to Apple Pay or Google Wallet. The best part? Every time you use your card, you get an instant notification telling you exactly what you spent, helping you track your money in real time. A key feature here is card control. If you lose your card, or just want to feel extra secure, tap the Cards tab. From here, you can freeze and unfreeze your card instantly with a single tap. You can also turn on location-based security or block online and ATM payments. It's total control over your card security. Sending money. Next, let's talk about moving money. The transfer section is where the magic happens. For sending money to friends who also use Revolut, it's instant and free. Just search for their name or rev tag. For traditional bank transfers, you can send money locally and internationally. Simply enter their account details and the amount. Revolut is well known for offering competitive exchange rates for international transfers, making it a powerful tool if you deal with multiple currencies. Budgeting and tracking. One of Revolut's best everyday features is its built-in budgeting tool. Every transaction is automatically categorized: groceries, transport, entertainment, you name it. Under the Analytics tab, you get a clear breakdown of your spending habits. You can also set budgets for each category. If you set a budget for groceries, Revolut will send you a notification if you're getting close to your limit, helping you stay on track throughout the month. Saving smarter with vaults. Finally, let's touch on saving. Revolut calls its savings accounts vaults. You can set up a vault for anything: a holiday, a new gadget, or just a rainy day fund. The easiest way to contribute is with spare change roundups. Turn this feature on, and every card payment you make is automatically rounded up to the nearest whole number, and the difference is put straight into your chosen vault. It's an effortless way to save without even noticing. Revolut is a true financial hub built for the digital age. By making use of the instant spending notifications, card control security, effortless transfers, and smart budgeting, you'll find managing your money is not just easier, but actually engaging. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.